tell you that people are crazy as and they literally have no boundaries is just insane. Because why would you think it would be okay to video me while I'm naked on the table with my eyes closed? Like, I feel like I just got raped or something. Like, I feel violated. Like, no, I've never had that in my entire life. Like, you know when you videoing something and your phone is on loud and it goes like click click, like that double click? That's what I heard. When I open my eyes, I see this phone in my face. I'm like, I know you in line.
Missy man met decent woman. Woman when take up with decent have a career. The woman did have such a bright future. You ever see when man drain woman to the pinnacle? Like some woman did have such a bright future and them take up man, and me I tell about friend them take up the man. Thank you, Romaine. Friend them take up the man, and as me said, this goes for man with woman too. Like them drain you down to pot scrapings, them just drain you. And when you talk, you are the bad guy. Even the man them love beat woman. You notice when time the woman them go talk and tell them family, them begs want beat the woman more. Because the woman shouldn't make them family know say, yeah, him a beat me. So as me say, no, them begs because you go make the people them know, you know, them begs because them mask I go fall off, because them family I go know say there's something about them now when not right. Me have woman friend, you know. Me literally did have woman friend, cause one thing with me split justice. And if me not take fucker from one side, me not take it from the next side. But me have woman friend who go on with fucker with her man. And me literally make sure know say girl, you know say a foolish that they go on with. And me I can't be no friend if you have them type of girl, yeah. Because guess what? If you have them type of girl and me have a man, my man are gonna say me I'm a friend of the same thing. And me know me a different girl from you. So you see them games and them something where you go on with. Me not part of this, you know. Me not business with this, you know. Me not condone this with you, you know. Because if I did your man I do it, I burn him out too. Yes, so rich. That's what I kind of feel right now. Like, me even want nobody. Because them man are draining. Them man are just draining and just lie and deceitful. And then them just put on a show and make everybody feel like them good. And everybody thinks that them good and whatever. Me can't, them a pretender. Me can't be bothered. Me don't want nobody right now. Me just good with myself. No, me I go call out my friend. Me I tell you, if I'm my friend, I have the foolishness. And just like I'm one friend, if me have the foolishness. Because a friend will call me out to say me have the foolishness. But my type of foolishness is not like some depend some different man sort of shit. Like my little foolishness is because them know say my head will chip at certain time and me will do certain madness or me go on with certain madness. So them always will call me out and say, yo, me tell you this. This time you better is either you throw some water on your head and cool it down, or you just behave yourself and build. So me like me a friend will call me out for my bullshit because me not gonna say me perfect. But the thing is when my friend them not understand is in a relationship I am very good until I'm provoked. Like me good 100% until you do something where you just draw the line and then me chip. Because as me say, me is not a person who run to all of my friends about my business. So if me and my man have a little problem, me fix it. And if him go overboard, is it that me tell somebody in my family where me close to or him family where me know say him close to. But me not run to my friend them with business. Because at the end of the day, you have some of them gyal, them need even want to see you happy in a real life. Some of them glad y'all come to them with your problem. Not because them want to solve the problem, you know, but because them just want to hear say you have problem with your man. Them just glad say you have like a problem with your man. So me not run to friend with everything. But if it too much and them hear me make nice, then them are gonna know say, well, them not gonna know because me say me not tell them. But them a tell me say, yo, ease yourself. Ease yourself. And me say, alright, me just build. Me just build them. That's just me. Me now I find myself at a crossroad right now where if me have no more man, me go talk to nobody else, which me not interested in nobody else for right now. But just want to go and build and ease me like self, focus on me, because every time I have a man is a distraction in my life. I'm not gonna lie. Like every time I find myself I make certain type of money, I reach to a certain level, and then me have a man, bloops. Me just get stagnant. My focus can't go up on the things that when me did have my head focused on again. It's like, to be honest, me are one of them people that from me have a man, me just all over focus on that fucking man. It's either me have focus for help him build theme dreams, or me have focus for me just always want to know say alright. Because in life me would have want the same help, me quick to give it to somebody. Me never have help when me I grew up in a certain way. So you see, when me talk to somebody, I say, alright, them need the help. Me I go push them, me I go motivate them, me I go do what me can do. Right? Because me know what it is like to need the help in life. Me know what it is like to need a start. Me know what it is like to need a push. So you see, once me start talk to somebody, me invest my time and myself to try to build that person. Not financially. Because me is not one of them girls who go work out my heart, soul and body word to come mind no man. I will build you, I will motivate you, I will help you in areas I can, but don't you dare think me go come take my hard working money and you sit down now and help you with my hard working money build your dreams and mine and with that way. No. Brother, save my money, because guess what, at the end of the day I'm an embarrassment and I'm a fuckery. So I will help you to a point and I say how long you can keep on whatever show you keep on for. If it's real, then we will set real in due time, but I just go on till me see whatever show you put on, then me can say okay, then fuck you, I used to save my money. I'm an idiot. So that is it. When me have a man, me focus on him. If you don't notice, to me focus on freaking man, me not even depend on I show them. Me not even depend tour with Addy, because me did so fucking focus in helping a man and building a man. Like me a Babette the builder. So right now me no want no man, me no want nobody. Like me literally no want nobody. When me there with a man, me love body, but you see once me not have a man, me even want to see good. Me no want to see dick no entice me, dick no nice me. But when me have a man, we kill him we work him right around the clock. He not get no break, him not get no rest. But once me not have no man, sex at least is my problem. Me all about money. Yeah, new music I forward in on there. Me even post if you have Instagram, me go look at my Instagram story. Me posted one, I think one of the new song we will come out with. I don't know where's Enhance. Enhance dead about him business, run one part, run one place, or do whatever it is him a do. Him don't live on me yard no more. My mother me and him keeper. So I think him there somewhere run one part. Me not, for be honest, me don't know when they right now. Probably in their yard, probably in their human yard, probably in their studio, probably in their, I don't know. When he call me, that's all me know about him. How will you put your over yourself, Corey? Don't come put your over yourself. You're not supposed to be the people in match, or the people in practice. Sheba, I want you from me in my 20s now, me in my 30s. Sir, let me tell you something. I am not for the weak. Nobody want me because I am not for the weak. You have to be strong. Because me say, you don't hear from me because you don't call me. You don't text me. You don't have your crosses girl the way you entertain. If you did call me or text me, you don't hear from me. You don't go me crosses girl give you flow. People are saying me and they run joke. No watch no face.